Alright, this is my 1994 Chevy C3500 HD. It has the 6.5 turbo diesel in it. I'm having some hard start issues. When I first started up for the first time today, it seems like the fuel system is losing prime. I did swap out the lift pump. It has a brand new AC Delco EP158 lift pump for the 93 mechanical injection trucks. I do have a fuel gauge on the spin-on filter. It showed me that it's in between 9 and 12 psi. When I turn the key on, like I said, once it's running for the day, it starts up fine, it runs fine, but just starting in the mornings, it seems like the fuel system, the injection pump, has no prime, and I have to crank it and crank it and crank it and crank it until it catches. There is a code 36 for injection pulse timing or something along those lines, and I've read a lot of information about, fuel additives and lubrication of the fuel system usually causes that code, but I haven't figured out anything else. So I just wanted to post up this quick video of me trying to do the startup and then show the smoking it does when it does start. I know a lot of times, diesel's always going to smoke, but this is a little excessive. As you can see, I have my 98 there to the far right, and it starts right up, and it might puff a little bit of smoke, but it doesn't smoke like this one. So I understand, this engine's a little bit more worn out than that one, but just trying to see if anyone could give me some ideas, a gauge of what's going on with this. Alright, so of course it's about 80 degrees today, and it didn't smoke as much as it usually. So of course, now that I'm recording the video, it's not going to do what it usually does. But yeah, so it's all brand new AC Delco, glow plugs, new glow plug controller, new aftermarket glow plug harness. So I really doubt it's a glow plug issue. Like I said, it's about 80 degrees right now, so it's pretty warm. I shouldn't need the glow plugs at all. And I redid the injection timing, and I'm going to get you a video of what the injection timing's on, and then I'm going to go ahead and just show you how my other vehicle starts. Alright, so right now I got a TDC offset of -0.79. My actual timing is at 8.70. Obviously, I know the coolant is not up to temperature to reset the TDCO, but I just want to give you an idea of where it's at. Idle's fine. Everything else is fine. I just, trying to figure out how to get rid of this code 36 and how to eliminate the hard starts. Okay, I just want to do a quick reference video of me starting my 98. ideal. That's what I like to see out of the 94. So I'm going to go ahead and do some playing around with it and just trying to see if someone could point me in a better direction. Alright, and I just want to give you one more reference on my 94 after it's already been started and running for the day. This is how it goes. Now, if you was able to hear it for like the first couple of seconds, say the first 3-4 seconds, it ran kind of rough and then smoothed right out. And then the idle is just smooth as can be. It runs like it should. I'm just trying to figure out, you know, what would cause that. Like I said, it's a new pump-mounted driver that's relocated, and I've switched them between both trucks, so I know that's not the issue. I switched the lift pump between both trucks. I know that's not the issue. As far as I know, the injection timing is on point where it should be. And yeah, I'm just trying to get some more ideas of what could be causing this hard start issue. Alright, so if you have any ideas, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you.